A river flows gently, carving its path through solid rock, not with force, but with patience and persistence. It does not roar like a storm, nor seek attention with crashing waves, yet over time it shapes landscapes, smoothing stones and creating valleys. Meanwhile, the fiercest storms, though loud and destructive, come and go in an instant, leaving little lasting impact. The river's quiet strength proves that true power lies not in sudden bursts of intensity, but in steady, unwavering effort. Moral lesson: consistency, not noise, creates lasting change.